imagine it costs a lot of money to send a mechanic out to fix, like right there in the middle of traffic, fix whatever so it can go. You can't tow a truck like that, it's too heavy.
Dede means the one you are sucking. My dede. Daddy. You can say it D. You know the lovers sometimes call, sometimes they're calling each other D.
Call each other what?
D. For
D?
like, yeah, the woman say, instead of like daddy, they will say D. I heard it from lovers. They call them their lover like daddy, or yeah, daddy, and they will say D.
What the fuck is that? Somebody's fucking